Want to program your Toyota 4Runner key fob yourself? It's possible for 2003 to 2023 models. This method syncs the fob's transmitter with your 4Runner's system, potentially saving you $50 to $100 compared to dealer programming. You'll need a compatible OEM or aftermarket fob. Ensure it matches the vehicle's frequency and has a programmable transponder chip, especially important for 2014 plus models with rolling code technology. This process will reset all fobs, so have your original working fob ready. Newer 4Runners, 2024 Plus, may feature enhanced encryption, making DIY more challenging. Here's a general programming process for 2003 to 2023 4Runners. Always verify with your manual. Step 1. Ensure the vehicle is off, doors unlocked, and the key is out of the ignition. Step 2. Insert the key and cycle the ignition. On, don't start, off, off onto accessory mode. Step 3. Press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the first fob for 1 to 2 seconds. Step 4. Cycle the ignition again. On, off, off, on. Step 5. Repeat for additional fobs up to 4. Step 6. Test by locking, unlocking doors and starting the engine. If it fails, a dealer scan tool might be needed. Keep in mind that Toyota is shifting towards digital keys with smartphone integration via apps like My Toyota. Expect more advanced security and biometric authentication in future models, potentially phasing out DIY fob programming. By 2030, fully digital keys as default.